Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change language in Amazon Prime Video. Go to your profile picture, click on Account and Settings, then click on Language, and here you can change your website language or your streaming language. In order to change your website language, click on Change right here, pick the language that you want and then simply press Save. Now, if you go back, you can see that the streaming language is, you are able to change it as well. So you can get video recommendations based on your profile's preferred audio and subtitle languages. So if you click on change, as you can see, you can leave it to auto, so no language filtering will be applied. Or you can select custom languages and video recommendations will be limited to those available in the selected language. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.